Hello, welcome to lesson number 2, proper hand technique. Our main objective for this session is that by the end of this video, you are expected to be able to use your right hand and your left hand properly holding the guitar. Let's quickly look at our right hand. Good. With your guitar, you need to find a product like this. This is an improvised one. Go to the stores and buy a picker. Good. Now you are holding the picker like this. Hold it well like this. All right. Hold the picker well like this, and then your forefinger. All right. Good. So some people will prefer holding it this way. This is very wrong. So like this, then okay, that is the proper hand technique, the right hand. Now look at the left. Let's look at the left. The left is like this. This side, the body rests on your thigh. All right, so like this. Okay, very good, with spaces in between your fingers, so every finger is in one fret. Okay, every finger is in one fret. Then your thumb is supporting your fingers like that. Okay, good. That is the proper way of handling your guitar. Sometimes the seat that you'll be using also counts. The seat you'll be sitting on to play your guitar plays a major role. It plays a major role. Either you feel comfortable or you not feel comfortable. So look at them. So that's the proper hand technique, both left and right. All right. Okay.